refacing machine, about into the collet about so, tighten it up. Usually I get some preliminary adjustments. Get this paint out of the way here. And before I even turn the machine on, if you want to get closer, come on and look. I run the valve across the face of the stone, and I make sure I'm about where I want to be. This handle here moves the table forward and aft, and this runs the table side to side. And when I get everything spinning,
it's a lathe.
It's a lathe,
basically.
Exactly. All right, so we're spinning. We're gonna wait for a little oil to come. Have a little drip of cutting oil going on there. Then you just slowly bring out the stone to meet the valve. Once you start making contact, you run the valve back and forth across the stone, all the way across. That way you wear your stone evenly. You take just a little at a time. You can watch as it's machining, the shiny new metal surface will appear. When you have it all the way around nice and even, you're done. Shut your machine off, let the wheel coast down, undo your collet, and now you can see your nice new surface.
Oh, look at that.
You got a little tiny miss right there, not worth worrying about. You want to make sure that you have a margin, that some material left, the thickness across here. That dark area is your margin. If you were to grind it to where that was a sharp edge, then that valve would not be serviceable.
That would be burned up.
It would burn the edge off, sure,
yeah.
even on an intake valve. But this here is a nice surface, and that will lap in and make yourself a good seal.